By coming down, they now are drifting to the left, just as the other balloons, heading in the same direction as original hair. Since your altitude is controlled entirely by the amount of heat in the balloons, it's a matter of pilot experience that teaches you how to inflate and how to increase and lower the temperature of the balloon. One of the other gauges in the balloon is a temperature gauge, which is located somewhere up in the balloon envelope, and it becomes one of the tools a pilot uses to determine how to move the balloon up and down.